Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is very, very short, but we have some really cool things in the pipeline which should hopefully be coming your way shortly. So without further ado, today's Paki Poto is te Pōkiha me te Kanohi ke. There are two kupu hou. The first is ketu ketu. It means to dig around or fossick about. I ketu ketu mātau I tātahi. We dug around at the beach. Our second kupu is waiwaia. It's another kupu for ātāhua. It means beautiful. Te waiwaia o tōna reo kōrero. Their oratory skills are beautiful. Kia areare mai ngā taringa listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hānea nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Pōkiha me te Kanohi ke, nā Aesop. Tērā tētahi rangi I te ketu ketu haere te Pōkiha I te whare o tētahi kaiwhakari. Ka hārau ki tētahi Kanohi ke waiwaia. Ka meinga tōna ringa ki te rae, ka mea ai. Te pūrotu hoki o te kanohi nei. Ka aroha hoki tana hia roro. Ko te kiko o te kōrero. Ka ore he hua o te tau, me kua kore he roro. The Fox and the Mask by Aesop. A fox one day was rummaging in the house of an actor and came across a very beautiful mask. Putting his paw on the forehead, he said, "What a handsome face we have here. It is a pity that it should want brains." The moral being, beauty without brains, nothing gains. Tēnā rā koe I whakarongo mai ki whakamiere. Thank you for listening to Whakamiere. Whakamiere is proudly independent and completely ad-free. We don't have sponsors or outside funding, so every episode is made possible through the tautoko of our whānau on Patreon. Your support helps us to continue creating high-quality reo Māori content and bringing more Paki Waitara to life for listeners across Aotearoa and around the world. A reminder too, if you're a kaiako or kaimahi at a kura, kohanga reo, puna reo or school in Aotearoa, we offer free access to our Patreon. Simply send us an email from your staff email address at whakamiere@gmail.com and we'll send you a link. For everyone else, subscriptions start at just $6 a month and you'll receive early access to episodes, downloadable PDFs, exclusive content, access to our reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, and our full archive of more than 150 episodes. To all of our Patreon supporters, e nui ana te mihi. Your tautoko keeps Whakamiere going and allows us to continue sharing te reo Māori through storytelling. And if your podcast allows for ratings or reviews, we'd really appreciate you taking a moment to leave one. It helps new listeners discover the podcast. And if you know someone who loves Paki Waitara, audiobooks or te reo Māori, share your favourite episode with them. Ko Taurapa au e nui ana te mihi, hei aha kua nei e hoa mā.